Have you ever wondered about the world of exotic fruits in your backyard? Imagine the delight of growing your very own dragon fruits, or the thrill of biting into a fresh, homegrown starfruit. Believe it or not, these fruits aren't just for tropical climates. They can thrive in your backyard too. Growing these unusual fruits doesn't just add a touch of the exotic to your garden, there are also other benefits. Imagine stepping outside and plucking fresh, ripe fruits from your own trees. These fruits are packed with unique health benefits, not to mention their mouth-watering tastes. Gardening itself is a therapeutic activity, and nurturing these exotic fruits from seedlings to full-grown trees can be a truly rewarding experience. So, not only do these fruits taste delicious, they're also a fantastic addition to any garden. Each of these exotic fruits comes with its own unique set of characteristics. Take the dragon fruit, for example, a vibrant pink wonder that's not just pleasing to the eye, but packed with antioxidants. Its taste? A delightful cross between a kiwi and a pear. And the best part? It thrives in well-drained soil and warm climates. Then there's the jackfruit, the heavyweight champion of the fruit world. This behemoth can grow up to 80 pounds, yet its taste is surprisingly delicate and sweet, often compared to a combination of apple, banana, and pineapple. It adores the sun, so plant it in a spot that gets plenty of light. Let's not forget the starfruit, a celestial treat that's as tasty as it is beautiful. With a flavor that's a fusion of apple, pear, and citrus, it's a true taste sensation. It prefers sandy soil and a tropical climate. With such a variety of incredible fruits, there's sure to be something to suit every taste and garden. Now that you know more about the world of exotic fruits in your backyard, imagine tasting your very own homegrown, unique fruits. Isn't it exciting? Give it a go and let your garden be a tropical paradise. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening adventures. Happy gardening!